Children, announced we are going to vehicles means. See, I am in the bus stop. You could hear some noise. Last time I was in the railway station, you heard the noise of people. Now I am in the bus stop and I am going to talk about the bus. I went to my, see there is one child here. So they talk about, see the girl is going to talk about the buses and the car. I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier we used to go from railway station to his house but now they are using bus. Can you see a yellow bus? Before they were using train. Now they started. After the train was the first one. After that they made bus. But this time this was a great fun. We went by a, see this is what metro. What is metro? The train runs underground. What is underground? Below the ground. In which we went through underground tunnel. Underground tunnel means you can't see what is on the top. You'll be traveling inside like this. See, imagine a rat. See, rat even goes inside like that. The train goes with the tunnel. Tunnel means a large opening inside the earth. Okay, went through the tunnel. We did not even come to know that our place has reached. Then the car were running on the road above the tunnel. We could see the cars were running on the tunnel. The buses and cars were running on the above the tunnel. The metro train, this was running under the this one. Next, it was a Bua's wedding. This is another child. Our experience, his experience. I went to my relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking and playing. Yes, whenever we go for a function, we enjoy. Yes or no? We will have a lot of friends and we will enjoy good foods and enjoy no control of ice creams or cool drinks, anything. Nobody will tell us not to eat. We'll eat everything and enjoy. Bauja came from America. It's a faraway place. It's a different country. It's not in India. So we have to travel by air. Air means travel by aeroplane. Oh, should have used an aeroplane. And imagine he came from so far but reached here in a day, in one day. Yes, because it means fastest means of transport is the aeroplane. Okay, that is why she has reached within a one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in the. This is this one vehicle used by kings and queens in the olden days. They used to carry them. See, there are two sticks are there. These sticks are carried by the people, men, and the lady will be sitting inside. Maybe a queen or a prince or princess, whoever travels, they will be sitting inside this. It was a human carried vehicle, I told you. That is otherwise called palanquin or litter. All three are same meaning only. It was kings and queens are carried by human, ordinary men in their kingdoms. That is human carried transport, we can call it as the explanation. Palanquin. Important news, only in marriages some people are using it. Next, I went to my nanny's house in Kerala where she lives, because in Kerala most of them there's a lot of water, backwaters. What is mean by backwater? There is a small water patches away from the sea. Those places they use the water transport. What is water transport? They use the ferries, boat or ship according to the need of it. We could not have taken bus. They can go by car or bus to reach the house. Instead we took a small boat. It's called a boat or a ferry. Straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. It was little strange because they have to sit. The water will be bubbling up and down. They have to go down. When we went to Shamla during the vacation, the bus moved on the zigzag roads on high mountains. See, if you want to travel to Eckhart, what happens? You must have seen hairpin bends. When we are traveling on the mountains, we have to have a lot of what you call movements. It is because the roads are not straight or not smooth. It was very when we looked down. We had to walk long distance in Shimla because it is a hilly place. Shimla, Jammu, Ekard, Kodaikanal, all these places are hilly places. Hill stations, we have to go travel in a rough roads. My dadi went tired very quickly. See, naturally old people will go tired. We would make her ride on a horse. Horse riding in, still it is there. People are using horse riding. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. Yes, walking is a good exercise. But horse riding also is very nice to enjoy. My kaka lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on bicycle and rush to her place. Ma, Chotu have taken another cycle to Nanny's house. See, cycle is the best vehicle for kids, I would say. It is a good exercise. I never use need of any petrol or diesel. We are not wasting. Plus, it's a very good exercises. Even you can ask your parents to use cycle nowadays because it will not pollute the air. Neither doesn't need any much of maintenance or need of any petrol or diesel. Okay. The last one is I went to my Mama Cheese village. From the railway station, there was no bus going to that village. So we went by bullock cart. We crossed lush green fields. Bullock cart is a nice travel. We used to go by bullock carts when we are, there is no buses. Still there are villages, they don't have bus facilities. They are using bullock carts, horse carts, camel carts. Now, before that I want to tell you something. There are 3 types of transport. One is water transport, land transport and air transport. Water transport they go by on water. It can be a ferry or a boat or a ship. Land transport you have many car, bus, double-decker bus and then a scooter, bike, all that is air travels. We use aeroplanes. Then space travel, they use space shuttles. That is a different attitude. And then in villages still they are using bullock carts and all that. Among all these vehicles, cheaper, non-polluting vehicles are bullock carts, horse cart, camel cart and bicycle. Other need fuels. Fuels means, see, we need food for working. They need petrol or diesel for working or running. Those are, we are using 3 type of thing. One is petrol, diesel and compressed natural gas, that is CNG. The CNG is the best because it is not polluting much the air. This is what all about it. Then we have special vehicles, that is one for fire. See, when there is a fire, we call immediately the fire station. They come and put off the fire. That's a special vehicle. Another one is ambulance. That's the take away the sick people immediately to the hospital. As they are going, they will give first aid to the patient and save the patient. That's a special vehicle. And police vehicle. Police vehicle, they will just come to our place and settle the problems. These are all the special vehicles. If it is not there in a book, no problem children. Just learn. Then one more special vehicle, that is called red color van, that is post letters vehicle. That they carry the letters, whatever we are posting from one place to another place, it will carry and will be, it's called posting van or letter van or post box van. It will be red in color because post box is red in color, the same color the van will be. Any special vehicles? I think over. Yes. Thank you children. See, you have learnt about all these vehicles. Again the next week I will be summing up the same lesson, and already I have introduced the last week itself with the 2 videos of introduction. Again there are some videos will be coming this week. This week no test. Please draw 2 air transport, 2 road transport, 2 water transport. Okay. Then one more special vehicle used by most of the highly sophisticated people, that is house on wheels. That we call it as everything. It is fulfilled here. It's like a house. It's like a house that we call it as caravan. It's mostly used by cine people, the actor, actresses, and big people, because the house, they have a bedroom, they have a kitchen, they have a restroom, everything in that. They can cook, and they can, as they are going, they can travel. This is what about all about special vehicles, air transport, road transport, and water transport. You have to draw 2 air transport, 2 water transport, 2 land transport, 2 special vehicles. No test this week, drawing only homework. Then workbook also not this week. Only with this lesson we are finishing, and just do this. Next week I will do the workbook for you. Thank you. Stay safe.